Welcome back, chat, to another video. It is a beautiful February day here, and you've already seen the title, you've already seen the thumbnail, so let's just hop right into this. Today we are going for a ride in this, not in this specifically, but in this weather. It's about 7 degrees out right now. It's very chilly, but I have been itching to ride, and I've been working so much to get Smiley back up and running after I crashed her about 3 months ago, and I think she's finally ready to go, or at least able to go. I know she definitely has a small oil leak somewhere, and it's burning oil, but the last time I tried this, the front wheel was super wobbly, and when I pulled the front wheel off, I found that one of the bearings was completely destroyed. So I replaced both the bearings there, slapped the wheel back on. The wheel also has one of these sides. There's a couple real small bends in the rim on one of these sides. Oh yeah, here's one. Here's a little one right here, but I don't think it would cause that amount of wobbling that it was the last time I tried to ride here. And the UPS guy is here. What's he gonna think about this? Howdy.
You all riding?
I'm going to, yeah.
Oh, be safe.
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Yeah, definitely not a sight that most people would expect seeing in February. But it's a good thing that he did stop by, because then I had to bring that package inside, and it made me realize I forgot my 360 camera. I bought this thing for a reason, so I'm not gonna go out without it. Screw that down a little bit. While I'm here, before I go out, this has been the shop I've been working in. It's a makeshift little shop in the corner of the garage. Just hung a bunch of tarps up. It is not a drug lab. It is not a drug lab.
Sure, buddy.
But it works pretty nice. I got some heaters in here, and then heats this place up. It holds heat pretty good, and it heats it up pretty good, and it's nice to work in. But without any further ado, let's get this show on the road. Now the hardest part is going to be getting onto the main roads, because the main roads are fine, but like the driveway here and the road that I live on are packed with snow. So we're just going to take it easy until we can get to the main roads. Alright, we are all set to go. Technically we have about an hour and a half, just under an hour and a half until the sun goes down. But I don't know if I want to be out that long, because it's going to get colder. Right now it's 7 degrees and dropping. This feels like I'm learning how to ride for the first time again, because I'm going so slow. It feels like I'm about to fall, like at any moment. The road is so slippery, but I have had such the itch to ride that I am going to try this anyway. So I'm actually going to stick to the gravel, because then I actually have some grip rather than riding on the snow. Now, I did ride on Christmas Day for about 10 minutes before I had to turn around and come back home. I have gone for a ride since I crashed, but that was not for very long. So if I can actually get out and go for a longer ride here, it's going to be really the first time that I've ridden since my crash 3 months ago. And I'm jumping right back into the deep end here, but we're just going to take it easy on this back road. But as soon as I get to some pavement, then we can start going. I do feel a little odd. I don't know I can't figure out the right word, but I do feel weird being back on the bike. Not just that it's, you know, the middle of winter, but I just gotta get my bearings back and get back used to this style of driving or riding. This is gonna be fun. Whoa. That would have been funny if I wiped out right by that lady, because any sort of movement and I slip. Like, I slipped pretty good on that corner. I'm fogging up the inside of my helmet so bad right now. I feel like such a noob rider right now. I'm like going 2 miles an hour, because as much as this bike has kind of become a junk bike, I would prefer not to lay it down right now, because I put so much work into it. Oh my goodness. So slippery. Oh, my boogers are freezing. Oh, let's slow down for the horsey. Hey, my wheel's not wobbling this time. but I have no idea how fast I'm going because my speedometer doesn't work. Gotta pull up the good old reliable GPS speedometer. It is so hard to believe that I used to go, and I have gone 130 plus miles an hour on this thing. And it's so hard to believe because I'm going 60 miles an hour right now, and it feels like I'm freaking flying, dude. Well, I mean, it probably has to do with the fact that I haven't ridden in 3 months, and it is about 7 degrees out right now. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot about my heated grips. That's why my hands are so cold. I forgot about my heated grips. I put these out for a reason, so I could keep riding in the cold and still feel my hands. I can't believe I forgot about them. Yeah, why didn't you tell me about my heated grips? Now, hopefully they don't stop me because there's a little rip in them. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to be back. It feels so good to be back, dude. So good. Oh my goodness, I love riding so much, dude. I don't know if I'm just going insane or if like my back tire's actually sliding. I gotta fix this camera before it falls off. Dude. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going insane. I don't think I am. I'm fairly certain that, you know, with it being 7 degrees out, the roads are very cold and my tires are very cold. So it's going to take forever for my tires to warm up if they even do at all. So I have to be very careful leaning. I don't really want to die from hypothermia. Of all the things that you could die from riding a motorcycle, hypothermia is not one that should be considered. This thing is not going to change for me. This thing is not going to change for me. I'm going to have to get a car to pull up here because it's not going to change for me. All right, we are rolling again. I had to make a pit stop and change batteries, so I don't know when that battery died, but here we are. Had to make a pit stop to go to Quick Trip, and now we are going to go home because this sucks, and I will not be doing this again. Anybody need some tools? Oh my goodness. It is cold, and it's getting colder. It is now, what is it? It is now 5 degrees, and it feels like 3 with the sun going down. So hopefully we can get back before it gets super duper cold. Okay, good. It started back up. I was a little worried that it wasn't going to. Oh. Okay, let's get home. It's about a half an hour drive back home. I definitely went further than I was I definitely bit off more than I could chew. So this is gonna be kind of a sucky ride home. But we gotta do it, and we gotta deal with it. I got myself into this situation, and I have to deal with the consequences, and I said that I was ready to deal with them. I think I'm gonna hunker down for the long haul here, and I'll see you guys when I'm closer to home. Everything is freezing. My eyelashes are freezing. Huh. My boogers are freezing. The fog on the inside of my helmet is freezing, and I am freezing. So I'll see you guys when I'm back at home. Alrighty. Oh man, my GoPro died because of how cold it's been, but I got back. I got back. I got this thing parked in the shop now. And my hands are so cold. The tips of my fingers are, I can barely feel them. Other than that, it wasn't horrible. But I'm definitely not gonna do that again. Not anytime soon. If there's a nice day, like 40 degrees, then maybe I'll go out now that this thing is running. But I am not, not gonna do that again. It was 7 degrees when I left, and it's 2 degrees now, and it feels like 1 degree. So I didn't quite get that negative temperature ride, but it is, oh my goodness, it is so freaking cold. So I'm gonna go inside and warm up because I'm about to freeze like an icicle, and I don't want to snap off any fingers. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. Watching me freeze my butt off, and drop a like for me, and maybe subscribe if you want. Otherwise, you don't have to. But I'm gonna go inside and warm up now. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.